Hello student, let's discuss the question. In this question we have to find out the area of the region which is bounded by the ellipse. So this is x square divided by the 16 plus y square divided by the 9 is equals to 1. So here this equation can also be written as x square divided by the 4 square plus y square divided by the 3 square, which is equals to 1, because 4 square is equals to 16 and the square of 3 is equals to 9. So this equation is in the form of general equation, that is x square divided by the a square plus y square divided by the b square, which is equals to 1, where a is representing the x-intercept and b is representing the y-intercept. So from here the value of the a is equals to 4 and that of the b is equals to 3. So we can draw our ellipse. Let's say this is our ellipse. X-intercept is 4, so which means one is plus 4 and the another one is minus 4. So the coordinates of x is 4, 0 and minus 4, 0, and that of y become equals to 0, 3 and 0, 0, minus 3, 0, minus 3. Now from here we have to find out the area of the region which is bounded by the ellipse. Let's say this is the point A, this is the point B, this is the point C, and this is the point D. So from here we can say that the area of ellipse is equals to the area of ABCD. So the area of ellipse is equals to area of ABCD, and area of ABCD can be written as 2 multiplied by the area of ADC. So we are considering about this area of ADC. So area of ADC from here can be written as 2 multiplied by the integral of y multiplied by the dx, where the limit of the x, this is y, and the limit of x is from plus 4 to minus 4. So minus 4 to plus 4 basically. So we can write this as y multiplied by dx. This limit is from minus 4 to plus 4. Now we are going to find out the value of the y. We are having the value of the equation, that is x square divided by the 16 plus y square divided by the 9, which is equals to 1. So we can write this as x square divided by the it's y square. Y square divided by the 9 is equals to 1 minus x square divided by the 16. So from here we can say that the value of y square divided by the 9 is equals to 16 minus x square, which is divided by the 16. We are going to find out the value of y. So we can say that the value of the y square is equals to 9 divided by the 16 multiplied by the 16 minus x square. Now y square is here. We can take this y become equals to the under root of this term, that become equals to 9 divided by the 16 under root of 16 minus x square. 9 from here become equals to square of 9 under root of 9 become equals to plus minus 3, and that of 16 become equals to 4 multiply by the under root of 16 minus x square. So from here this is basically the value of y. Since we are considering that ADC is above x-axis, so if ADC is above x-axis, so this area will always be positive as area is never negative. So we are taking the value of y as 3 divided by the 4 under root of 16 minus x raised to the power 2. And we just discussed that the area of the ellipse is y multiplied by the dx, where the limit range of y is from minus 4 to a range of x is from minus 4 to plus 4. Now we are going to plug the value of the y. So from here we can say that the value of the a from here become equals to integral from minus 4 to plus 4 y. We just calculated is 3 divided by the 4. 3 divided by the 4 under root of 16 minus x square, which is further multiplied by the dx. So a from here become equals to we are also 2 is also multiplied by here, so we can write this as this become equals to 2 multiplied by the 3 divided by the 4. Integral from minus 4 to plus 4 under root of 16 can be written as 4 square minus x square, which is further multiplied by the dx. So from here we can say that integral of under root of a square minus x square is always equals to multiplied by the dx is always equals to 1 divided by 2 x multiplied by the under root of a square minus x square plus a square divided by the 2 sine inverse of x divided by a plus c. Here we are having the value of a, which is equals to 4. So we can say that the value of a from here become equals to 2 multiplied by the 3 divided by 4. This 2 to 4 we can cancel. So this from here become equals to 3 divided by 2, and this integral from here become equals to under root of 1 divided by 2 of x 1 divided by the 2 of x multiplied by the under root of a square minus x square, that is 4 square minus x square, plus a square divided by the 2, that is 4 square, which is 16 divided by the 2 sine inverse of x divided by the a is 4, plus c. So this is the value here. So from here we can say that the value of the area from here become equals to 3 divided by the 2 multiplied by the x divided by the 2 under root of 4 square. We are also having the range which is from minus 4 to plus 4. So this from here become equals to 4 square minus of x square plus 16 divided by the 2 is 8 sine inverse of x divided by the 4, x divided by the 4. Let's say we can take constant outside. So this is minus 4 plus c. Now we are going to plug the value. So the value of a from here is equals to 3 divided by the 2 multiplied by the x divided by the 2. The upper limit of x is 4. So that's why it's 4 divided by the 2 under root of 4 square minus x square. X is 4. So this become equals to 4 square. Now this from here is equals to plus 8 sine inverse of x divided by 4, that is 4 divided by 4. This is upper limit minus lower limit. So this from here become equals to minus of 4 divided by the 2 multiplied by the under root of minus of 4 to its whole square minus of 4 square minus of 8 sine inverse of minus of 4, which is divided by the 4. So this from here is equals to 3 divided by the 2. 4 divided by the 2 is 2. 4 square is 16 minus 4 square is 16 plus 8 sine inverse of 1 minus 4 become equals to plus 4 divided by the 2 under root of 16 minus 16, and this become equals to minus of sine inverse of minus 4 divided by the 4 is minus 1. So this from here is equals to 3 divided by the 2, 2 multiplied by the 0 plus 8 sine inverse of 1. This from here is equals to 2 multiplied by the 0 minus 8 sine inverse of minus 1. And we are using the property that the value of the sine inverse of minus of theta is equals to minus of sine inverse of theta. So this from here become equals to 3 divided by the 2. 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. So this is equals to 8 of sine inverse of 1, and minus become equals to plus 8 of sine inverse of 1. So this from here is equals to 3 divided by the 2, 16 of sine inverse of 1. Now, so we can write this as 3 divided by the 2, 3 multiplied by 16 divided by the 2 sine inverse of 1. This become equals to 8. So 8 multiplied by the 3 is 24. 24 sine inverse of 1. And we know that the value of the sine of pi divided by the 2 is equals to 1. So in place of 1, we can write this as sine of pi divided by the 2. So this become equals to 24 sine inverse of sine of pi divided by the 2. Sine inverse to sine cancel. We are only left with 24 of pi divided by the 2. Or we can also write this as area is equals to 12 pi. This is in square units. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of application of integrals. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.